Hello everyone, and welcome back to Flight Master. Been a while since I made a video on this game, but this game got an update. Update number 7. We got a new plane, the A320neo, full physics revamp, suspension for all aircraft, minimap, light improvements, fixed settings, not saving, and many bugs fixed. So, if we just press fly now, here we are with our A320neo. Spawn. So, here's our airlines. We got TAP Portugal, Condor, Red, which I like to call the Flying Candy Cane. We got the house livery, Qantas, Spirit of Australia. Our classic German airline, Lufthansa. We got Spirit, Indigo, EasyJet, British Airways, Wizz Air, and Condor, but blue. So let's go with Spirit. Oh yeah, I forgot we got a new airport. Doha Hamad Airport. This airport's not from this update. I think it was from like different update, like when the A350 was added. So let's spawn a gate B1, gate B4. And here's our plane. Oh, nice. I do like that mini-map feature. I really do like that mini-map feature. Engine number 2, engine number 1. So, Flight Master was pretty much, Project Flight. So Flight Master was probably my Project Flight before I actually bought Project Flight and started playing the game. So yeah, so if you guys never knew, Flight Master used to be my Project Flight because, well, the graphics are almost very similar. But yeah, once I saw Flight World come out, I'm like, ooh, maybe that's like a sequel version to Flight Master. Nope, I was dead wrong. Let me know if you want any Flight World videos. But once I saw the A320 update for Flight Master, I was like, I gotta make a video. How is my taxiing in Pilot Train and Flight Simulator way better than this game? Can't even stay on the yellow line properly. Taxiing to the very end of the runway, just how it is in real life, because I like to be accurate. I like to taxi all the way down to the very end of the runway for takeoff. I like being accurate. Here we are, runway 14 right. So we're on the right runway. Ah, very, very quiet jets. Very quiet jet engines. Usually all the other two jet planes are very loud. Oh, sorry, EasyJet. Sorry, not sorry, because Spirit's better. V1. Oh, not enough speed to rotate yet. We're actually not gaining a lot of speed very fast. Anyways, V1. How much runway do we need to take off? Finally, taken off into the air. That was literally like half the runway. But I mean, that takeoff was that takeoff was not as bad like as the A340, because that thing literally needs the entire runway to take off, because it literally has the A320 engines. Okay. Time for a nice flight from Doha Hamad Airport to Linden Pendling Airport. I probably said that completely wrong. But I like how this game has some airports that I do recognize, like Saba, which is also from TFS. I mean, not Turboprop Flight Simulator, I meant Pilot Training Flight Sim. And Princess Juliana, which, as we all know, is the classic St. Martin, where the 747 used to fly to. Unfortunately, no longer flies to today. I could be wrong, but I think KLM still flies to Princess Juliana, just with other KLM planes, but I could be completely wrong. Anyways, making some good speed. Still not I think because of how quiet these engines are, we're not really going that fast as like other planes in this game, like the 737 or A350 or 777 in this game, but oh well. But yeah, I think this is the first time I've seen the A320neo in a flight simulator. I mean, I could be wrong. There could be A320neos like in TFS or, I mean, PTFS or Project Flight, but I haven't played Project Flight long enough, only making 2 videos on that game. But I am very terrible at landing in Project Flight. I'm okay at landing in Flight Master, but I'm very good at landing at in Pilot Training Flight Sim. I used to jump out of the plane to land in Pilot Training Flight Sim, so I don't stall the plane out. But now I've been figuring when to get to the right land speed with different planes, and my landings have been getting better, as you've seen with my more recent PTFS videos. I really wonder what the next PTFS update will be. But you know what I'm excited for? Dandy's World Easter update. I can grind for the Easter tunes that I didn't get last year, because I did not play Dandy's World during the Easter update. I played Dandy's World somewhere around the Halloween update, but then I stopped playing, so then I started playing around the Christmas update, and I was able to get Ginger and Rudy. Wasn't able to get Cole or Bobette, but this year for Christmas, I'm definitely going to try and get them. And I'm definitely going to try to get the Halloween tunes if we keep the same Halloween tunes from last year for Dandy's World. I'm very off course of the runway. But there's always that saying, you can always go around. Why did our right gear release smoke? That's concerning me. And we're losing altitude quite fast too. I may be screwing this landing, but I'm doing my best. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Spirit Pilot. We're coming in for a nice landing pretty soon. We hope you enjoyed flying our new A320neo. Bye. Oh. Alright. Alright. Captain speaking again. We're going to get around again. And apparently this A320neo apparently has Boeing GPWS callouts, which is weird. Should have Airbus callouts, not Boeing. Guess the developers in this game thought it was a Boeing plane and gave it Boeing GPWS. Nope, no, line up. Alright, landing attempt, again. This might not be enough. And bit of a wing strike. Oh, come. I'm just terrible at not landing good. Bro, keep wing striking. How many times are we gonna go around? Oh my god, it's literally like that my Delta Flight 737 video. I can't... Maybe I should just never try to land in this game again, because I suck at it. At landing. Anyways, this is your captain speaking. We are a little off course of our runway, but that's alright. Coming in for a landing now. Alright, we have landed now, passengers. We are now taxiing to the terminal. We hope you enjoy flying Spirit. Oof. Ooh. Hello, fellow jets. Wow, everybody's using. Well, what I was gonna say before we got disconnected, I was gonna say everybody is using the new A320neo. Here's the game icon. Well, anyways, guys, that was update number 7 for Flight Master. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure to subscribe so we could get to 3,000 subscribers so I can do that reaction video you guys voted for on that YouTube poll. Anyways, I'll see you in the next gaming or reaction video. Or vlog video whenever I decide to upload my vlog channel again. Bye bye.